Ray Parlour says he would be shocked if Arsenal let Hector Bellerin go, and he would not sell him for £50 million. Reports have suggested the Gunners are willing to let the right-back leave in the summer to help create funds to rebuild their squad. But Parlour is adamant he would not let Bellerin, 22, leave even if there is interest from Italian giants Juventus. Speaking on the Alan Brazil Sports Breakfast, the ex-Gunners midfielder said, "I'd be amazed if Arsenal sold Bellerin. He's still a young player. He's still learning and he wants to learn. I still think defensively he has to get better, but he can get better. He's not had the greatest of seasons and I think he'd be the first to admit that, but I do rate him a lot. I wouldn't take £50 million for him, because you've still got to replace him in the team. Fullbacks these days are so hard to find, because they've got to be able to play like wingers. You've got to be able to get up the pitch and produce good quality. He's got great pace, so I wouldn't be selling him."